How to turn off center stage camera face tracking in Zoom. So as you can see, if I'm moving in the screen, the camera is centering me and I want to disable this feature. There are two ways how you can do it. The first one, here at the top, click on zoom and here should be your camera and there should be the option center stage or something like that, and you can turn it off. But as you can see, I don't have it here. I don't know why, so you can turn it off in Zoom. So here in your window, click on video, click on this arrow, and here is the auto frame my video. So right now, if I'm moving, it's centering my image, and if I turn it off, it's gonna zoom out and it's gonna not follow my face or center it. So basically that's how you can do it. If you have any questions, leave a comment and see you next time.